Hi guys, this is Pam Araya, and this is my final reflection video. I would just like to go over real quick what I have created here on Finger Lakes. Let's see. So I moved one of the soccer fields off the sports complex here, and I turned this more into an event place. I came up with the virtual graduation idea this semester, and I created the stage with the balloons and the backdrop here. I also created this presentation area where I talk about my course and the three parts it's broken into, the three objectives, I should say. I'm sorry. So I have this area to talk to people about my course and all the collaborative meeting and recreational areas I have created throughout. Then I also created this area back here, which is a recreational area with some interactive pieces, such as this boat that moves around. I think we rode in it last time. Wild horses here, and then I built these paths to make it feel like a campus, and I think I went over in my presentation how that is the main idea, that I want to create this campus feel to have a space for my courses in the future. And then the other part of the semester, as you can see, as I created these chairs in Blender. So Blender was very difficult for me at first, but I'm getting a little bit of the hang of it. At first, you have to first change from object mode as soon as you open up to edit mode to be able to edit your cube, and then you have to change to face down here, and then you have to do spacebar and start typing in subdivide. And always remember that when you do that, you'll have more points to stretch and to grab and stretch and build. So then that's going to be helpful. So then you select each one of the pieces, and then you start grabbing and building and shaping. And so this is what I will focus on for the rest of the summer. I will focus on Blender. I want to learn the other two programs, which are Marvelous Designer and Avastar, to concentrate on clothes and more interactive pieces, maybe a couple of animations. Okay, so this is what I will be working on for the summer. And then the other part of the semester, I was working on the instructional part of my course. I have a couple of modules set up already. So my idea is for when I have these as a course, I'll have a weekly meeting, and the students will have to follow a weekly video, and it will be a tutorial video on how to build these structures, and they'll have exercises based on those videos. So instead of completing like a written exercise or an assessment, it will be the completion of these building exercises. And when let's say I have an intro design or a digital imaging course, then they will have those initial tutorials so that they know how to build and upload their imagery. But our critiques are going to be taking place live on in the Finger Lakes, and they'll upload their designs, and we'll set them up in a gallery that I will be building this summer, and we'll have an actual gallery showing, and we'll talk about our pieces. And so this is what I will be working on. I will be working on Blender and my Moodle, because I have my Moodle set up on signed off right now. But I have my Moodle account, and I'm ready to start plugging in these guys in there and start developing my courses. Okay, so it's been a great semester, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your summer and stay healthy.